Dear Cheri, I found some very old marijuana seeds and wanted to know, is it worth trying to grow them? How do you grow marijuana from old seeds, or can you grow marijuana from old seeds? Thanks for any insight. Okay, we've had similar questions. I remember one time a lady found a 40-year-old stash of weed, and yeah, you can still use that too. So, to find out if you can use those old seeds, I brought in Cannabis Cheri's grow editor, Mitch Mandel, as he has a lot more extensive grow experience than I do. So, I'd like to bring him in on that. Before we get to the answer, just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because we try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And give that like button a hit too because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, and if you like Mitch's stylish smoking rooster shirt or my warning may contain weed shirt, those are available on my website along with a bunch of other fun cannabis designs. So I'll put a link in the comments below to that. Okay, the question was the viewer found some very old marijuana seeds and they want to know, is it worth trying to grow those?
Well, you have to ask yourself a number of questions first. The answer to the questions, can old marijuana seeds grow? Yes, they can.
Okay.
So that's not really that's not up for debate. You will get more seeds to sprout from younger seeds, but but old seeds will sprout. As long as it sprouts, you've got a plant.
So the bottom line is, should you try to grow? Sure, why not? You got nothing to lose, right?
Well, I would question, where did the seed come from?
Hmm.
And how many seeds are there? Are they feminized seeds? They're probably not.
Probably
if they're
not.
old
Yeah.
seeds. So growing from old seeds is a bit of a crapshoot
Okay.
because if you don't remember where it came from, it could have come from some swag and you don't even remember, and you're going to grow swag.
Right.
Nobody wants to grow swag.
Nobody wants to grow
Nobody
swag.
wants it.
No.
So
But if you've got the space and, what the heck, if you've got the time and the space, but
why waste time growing bad weed when you can spend the same time growing good weed, and you spend a few bucks and buy some new good
okay,
seeds?
good point. All right.
Personally, I would only use an old seed if I'm 100% certain where it came from and the weed that it came from was good. Because if you know from a past video that in other videos we've talked about, it starts with genetics.
Right.
And if you don't know the genetics of the seed you're growing from, and if it's a 10-year-old seed that you found in a drawer somewhere,
Who knows?
Who
Yeah.
knows where it came from? You don't know if it's going to be a male or a female. So, and if you're bored and you just want to
Yeah.
grow something, have at it.
I mean, technically, yes, you can
Yeah.
grow from old seeds.
Yeah.
That in and of itself is not the problem. You can grow from old seeds, but yeah.
Personally, if I don't know where the seed came from, I'm not going to grow it.
Yeah, because it's a lot of time and
Right.
effort, and if you're going to put that in, you might as well grow top shelf. That's what we always
Right.
say. It takes the same amount of effort to grow bad weed as good weed. So,
But the bottom line is, yes, you can grow weed from old seeds.
okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for that. Hope this helps. See you all next time.
Bye-bye.